Best portable platform trolley. Number 5. Stanley Polypropylene Portable 2-in-1 Folding Hand Truck Trolley. Approx price 6,999 rupees. Multi-utility foldable hand truck trolley, 135 kg capacity, 100% fully assembled, compact lightweight design, solid frame made of tough steel for added durability, lightweight at 7 kg, 640 gram, strong rigid steel handle, easy and safe steering. Big Apple stainless steel plastic portable platform hand trolley. Approx price 1,215 rupees. Lightweight and small feature. Open dimension 96 by 23 by 32 cm. Folding size 45 by 23 by 8 cm. Material plastic plus stainless steel. Product weight 1.4 kg. Number 3. Equal portable platform trolley dolly cart for lifting heavy weight. Approx price 2,999 rupees. 2,999 rupees. Handling heavy weights up to 150 kg. High density polypropylene material. Lifting while the handles are made of chromed steel. Compact, foldable and easy fits. Mounted on 2 swivel and 2 fixed 100 mm caster wheels. Number 2. Stanley PC 527 steel portable foldable platform trolley. Approx price 3,899 rupees. Multi-utility steel platform truck with folding handle. 150 kg carrying capacity. Solid steel frame with hammered finish. Trolley is that they are foldable. Lightweight at 7 kg. Strong rigid steel handle. Sturdy 4 wheels for easy and safe steering. Number 1. Big Apple premium quality single platform trolley. Approx price 3,949 rupees. Premium quality metal used. Extremely low maintenance. Can withstand up to 300 kgs. Platform is made of ABS while the body is steel.